let's get the camera out and give it a bit of a wiggle. So yeah, that is it now. Hello and welcome. My name is John Dexter. I took the dog for a walk in the forest. This is the new forest in Dorset and it's called the Rhine Fields. And I noticed some lovely what are they called? Silver birch trees. And I sort of made a note of it and thought I must go back and take some photos of that. Now today I am not going to be wiggling the camera around which is not my normal style. In actual fact, I'm going to be getting a tripod out, which I've just purchased after selling my other one, thinking I'd never need it, because I'm sort of going down a different avenue, if you like, with my photography. I'm not going to give up ICM, but I want to sort of include a different sort of style to my photography alongside ICM. So we're going out there today with a tripod to take some images of these silver birch trees and see what we can do with them. I'll also probably pop up the road a little bit to where these silver birch trees are and go for a stroll and see if I can find anything else. So if you want to come along with me, you're more than welcome. So once we get there, I'll show you the composition I've got in mind and see what we can do with it. Just wait for that Chinook helicopter to go over. Right, what I saw the other day when I took the dog for a walk is this composition here. I'm going to put it on the back of the camera. Don't know whether you're going to be able to see that or not. Let me brighten it up a bit. Yeah, I hope you can see that. Only I love silver birch trees. They're always photogenic. I think it's mainly because they sort of stand out from the background because of their colour. So yeah, this is the composition that I've got in mind. I think actually I'm going to slightly move the camera. Let's move it so That's better. So I've got this this green piece of the tree here on the right, and I'm loving the sort of three colours. You've got the green here, and then you've got the lovely sort of reddy orange of the ferns, and then you've got the trees themselves. So yeah, that's the composition I'm going to be taking. Just wind that back down. Let's focus that. Lovely, I think that'll do. 2-second timer. Boom. And I'll take another one just in case. Check my histogram. All looks good. I don't think I've got any blown out highlights, or very little. I think I'm going to take it probably -3/4 of a stop just to be on the safe side. Check the histogram again. Yeah, that's a bit better. That should do it. So yeah, that's this composition. As I say, I'm loving the colours. So yeah, hopefully it should make for a good image. I might actually move over a bit so I don't get these trees here in the shot. Yeah, I think that's a little bit better. Get rid of those branches on the left. Try not to get any sky in because it doesn't do anything for the image. But yeah, again we've got this little green on the right. Lovely trees. So 2-second timer. Check the histogram. All looks good. Yeah, happy days. Okay, I got another shot in mind, which is this. I'm quite liking the sort of trees there, just here. I'm liking the sort of foreground, and then you've got the silver birch in the background. So I think the sort of I don't really want these trees here on the right. So yeah, I think very similar to the last one, but just a little bit different. Yeah, so I think we'll get the camera out and just take a shot of that. Okay, I've just headed down the road a little bit to the next car park, and I'm going to have a stroll down here to see what we can find. It's a bit boggy underfoot. I'm glad I wore my wellies today. But yeah, I don't know if we can find anything else, but hopefully those two images I've got are going to make the day worthwhile anyway. So yeah, let's go and see what we can find. Okay, I've just actually noticed over here a clump of trees that looks quite interesting, so we'll pop over there and have a look. Yeah, I'm rather liking those. I'm rather liking the way the trees are laid out, and you've got like this sort of canopy over the top with a nice bit of foreground, and these trees leading off into the background. I think that's probably worth getting the camera out and giving it a bit of a shot. So yeah, I think we'll do that. Okay, right, what do we got? Yeah, that's rather nice. I'm taking this on about a 17mm because I really want to sort of draw the trees in the background closer. I want to compress the image, and I'm cutting out the sky, so I've got this canopy here at the top of the image, and I've got the tree trunks in the center, and then this lovely sort of ready foreground. So yeah, that's looking quite good. Just focus in on that. 2-second timer. Check the histogram. Yeah, that's quite good. Yeah, so I think that'll do us. I'll probably have another walk, a bit more walk down there. If I find anything, I'll let you know, but if not, we'll wrap that up for today. So yeah, if I get anything from today, I'll put it up at the end of the video if there's anything any good. So yeah, as always, thanks very much for coming along with me and watching. So until the next time, this is John Dexter saying bye for now.